Thank God, nalawagan na naman for another event. This is your host, Don Blue Bacolod. Begin intro. I am Bot. Hi there, it's me again, your talented, witty, and budget-friendly host of Bacolod with Ja Soberano. My name is Don Blue Bacolod, and for today's vlog, video, and ganap, meron tayong debut, and we'll be hosting that debut sa bahay nila. Pero bago natin tunguhin yung bahay and the venue, nag-meet up muna kami ng ating client at syempre, meron siyang pa-snacks dito sa ating Apollo Restaurant East Branch. Diba? At ayan, kumain lang tayo ng konti guys kasi naman yung pupuntahan at i-host natin isang debut sa bahay nila. Of course, doon na tayo kakain ng marami and masarap from Mayan's Catering. Mamaya yan ha. But then, andito na tayo sa venue nila. Under construction yung buong bahay. Sobrang ganda guys. It's very simple but yet it's an elegant event together of course with our dear debutant. Kaya naman nag-prepare na tayo at nag-set up ng ating technicalities para naman umpisahan na mamaya ang debut kasi nga yung mga bisita dumadami na. Dito lang yan sa bahay nila sa Villamonte, Bacolod City.
A few moments later.
Nag-start na ang debut for this event kaya naman welcome ang lahat ng beloved mother, Mommy Elisa Mercado, ang ating guests and friends. Ito yung ating mga bill giver for tonight. Thank you po! Wow! Sobrang saya at sobrang memorable ng debut na ito at eto nga si Daddy Marcelo, dala niya na ang cake para sa kanyang beloved daughter to blow that candle at kumanta na kami ng birthday song para sa ating dear debutant, Lizmar Mercado. Diba? Kaya naman, once again, to our dearly beloved debutant, Lizmar, congratulations and happy birthday! Now, it's kainan time! Pakabusog muna tayo bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating program dito sa 18th birthday ni Lizmar Mercado. And of course, hindi matatapos ang debut na ito without the 18 gentlemen with their roses and their dance with our dear debutant Lizmar. Of course, bago natin tapusin yung debut na ito, again, maraming salamat Ma'am Mary Chris Pinongan for inviting me to be the host of this debut on the 18th birthday of Miss Lizmar Mercado. And to the whole family, maraming salamat po for the big trust given to me as the host. At ayan nga, nagpasalamat ng ating dear debutants sa families and friends at sa lahat ng mga nag-support sa kanyang birthday celebration. And that will be all for today. Once again, Lizmar Mercado, happy 18th birthday to you. Bye!